Tornadoes, thunderstorms, and other types of harsh weather may appear stunning and captivating, yet you must always remember that they are likewise be a very dangerous phenomenon. No, I'm not suggesting you stay inside all the time. Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. When you hear thunder, it only makes sense in that moment to enter the house as soon as a storm develops. However, there are 19 things even within. In the event of extreme weather, you must never staying safe is important. Never bathe in water. The issue is that during a violent thunderstorm, the electrical currents produced by the sun outdoors, water pipes can be struck by lightning. Inside your home, your shower can be shocking as a result. Alternatively, a fire could be started by the lightning striking your house. Never make a landline call. I have to say that these days, you'll have to try very hard to locate any corded phone. But if you can, refrain from discussing this. Amid a lightning storm, what kind of phone? It can effortlessly enter your home, not only through your plumbing and water systems, but additionally via the wiring. Hold on to the idea until the storm has passed. Never turn a plastic water container on by accident. The floor is concrete. If your water supply is stored in plastic containers, store them somewhere with a concrete floor, either on a pallet made of wood or on a cardboard. In the first place, if it's a garage, there be oil splatters on the ground. Additionally, the concrete itself includes chemicals used in its manufacturing by the ton. If any of these materials contaminate you, they might render the water dangerous to drink. Never disregard your hair's condition. Not at all. Let's imagine that you are outside your house while taking in the approaching storm. But then you see something strange. It makes your hair stand on end. Take note of this phenomenon. It contains your clue that you need to enter the residence immediately away. When your body's positive charge interacts because to the storm's negative charge, it causes the hair to stand up. Sadly, if you don't enter a building, you possibly experience a lightning strike. Never burn candles. Candles provide a difficulty because they can start a fire as well. However, if there is a severe storm, there might not phone service, as a result of which you communicate with the fire department. Consequently, they won't be able to get to your home. Fire hydrants may also be inoperative. To prevent these potential worst-case scenarios, utilize flashlights to create more light. Unlike candles, do the dishes last. Once more, never get caught in a thunderstorm somewhere that has a tap, whether it be in a bathroom, the kitchen, etc. Remember that touching an energized object faucet can have severe negative effects. Don't leave during a tornado. When you hear a tornado warning, act right away, either in the room with the least traffic or in the basement or the house. Seriously, don't pick up the car key. Also, avoid attempting to escape the devastating force from nature. Never use a generator inside. Although a generator can appear to be one of the most valuable items during a blackout due to a powerful storm, however, in practice, the concept of utilizing it indoors may end up being the worst experience of your life. A generator engine is a combustion device. Engine releases a toxic gas called carbon monoxide, which might give sufferers a splitting headache and you snooze. People typically do not survive high doses of medication within this gas. Never let your pets out in the open. Naturally, you shouldn't. When a thunderstorm is forecast, bring your animals inside. There is no other way to keep them secure. Using illumination. If your dog is leashed to a tree hits it, the electric shock won't let your dog live. Current. A doghouse is not an adequate kind of defense, especially if it is made of burning wood frighteningly quick. Don't ever go near a window. And no, the lightning is not the cause. Unlike what most people think, by standing it when there is a violent storm, you put the window, putting yourself at risk of injury from broken glass. Although this substance doesn't conduct electricity, the force of electricity is strong enough to harm you. The window may be broken by the blow. Conversely, some windows do include metal components with electrical conductivity. Specifically, if you approach them or stand too close when lightning strikes, you can get really close. Gain enjoyment from it. Never ever open a window if you're among those who hold this view, that let fresh air in during a storm balances they resist breaking under the pressure, and perhaps it's time to update your worldview. According to experts, this is a misconception. And all that opening the windows will accomplish is allowing ferocious gusts to enter the home. Do not leave your laptop plugged in if you require immediate assistance with your laptop and there is a storm outside. Make certain that your PC is not connected to the divider. A cordless phone works the same way as an electric. The power cord's current might flow quickly and damage your device in addition to destroying it. By the way, go and unplug if the power goes out. All of the home's electric appliances. Alternatively, a power outage could result in your appliances may be damaged by a surge. Might possibly start a fire. Don't overuse your refrigerator. First off, the refrigerator is merely another type of electric appliance. You should avoid using it from a stormy period. Second, in the event of a power outage, you wish to maintain the coldest possible temperature in your refrigerator for however long you can, correct? But each time you open it, the temperature rises. Inside is warmer. Never bar the windows. The ideal time to cover your windows with boards is just before a storm. However, if you hold off until the last second, gusts the boards out of your hands in a gust of wind, transforming them into deadly projectiles. Check the weather forecast for the area your upcoming few days beforehand, and if a severe when a storm is coming, board your windows beforehand. Avoid turning off the TV and radio simultaneously. With a remote in hand, you're lounging on the sofa, with the power in your hands and your favorite TV program on the display. However, a critical voice abruptly cuts it off to warn of impending dangerous weather. Do not instantly turn off your TV or radio, and keep up with the weather reports. Keep in mind that paying attention could life. Never use a grill with charcoal inside. Imagine a blackout, but you're in terrible shape, hungry. However, there is a fix. Why don't you simply fire up the charcoal grill, centrally located in your living room? I really do hope you never entertain same notion, like utilizing a grill with charcoal. Tragedy can occur indoors. When operating, the object emits deadly chemical called carbon monoxide that kills individuals swiftly and discreetly. Concrete structures. Never touch. The issue with concrete walls, floors, and other buildings is that metal bars are frequently used in them. Might have holes for wiring. Thus, if you don't want to get struck by lightning, you should not stand adjacent to concrete buildings or stooping over them. Avoid engaging in activities that could cause harm. Try to avoid going outside when a storm is roaring. Take part in any dangerous activities. Ambulance services are delayed due to power outages. Emergency rooms that are overflowing. One of the worst times to travel is during severe weather. Don't risk getting wounded. Don't take a chance. Never lock yourself in. Most likely, you are aware that garage door openers, when the power is turned off, they frequently lock up. Fortunately, a unique cord that releases pressure exists. In an emergency, the door from the opener. Find the location of this rope and demonstrate its location with relation to your family. You'll be able to enter the building in this manner. If necessary, leave your automobile in the garage to run away. If you have any advice for remaining safe and dangerous, I didn't mention the weather in the video, please tell me in the comments section. Give credit if you learned something new today. Give this video a like and tell a friend about it. Yet, hey, don't just storm out. Yet, you may watch over 2,000 fascinating videos on our site. Close out. Simply choose either the left or right. Please click the video to watch it. Keep an optimistic outlook on life.